That's right. You read the title right. I officially joined LiveGood. So what changed? So a little over a week ago, I put out a video that was titled 3 Reasons I Haven't Joined LiveGood. And in that video, I basically was talking about how I noticed everybody is jumping on LiveGood, everybody joining this new program, but me, right? So I gave 3 reasons in the video. And the first reason was I had just gotten out of another health and wellness company. All right. Just got done with that. And I was talking about how terrible it was. And it was a pretty bad experience with that company. The second reason why I said I didn't join LiveGood yet was because I wasn't too impressed with their product line so far. And the third reason why I haven't joined LiveGood yet was because of the time. You know, I felt like I had to make a lot of time, you know, to add on a new program to promote and to really be involved with. And I talked about I had 3 main programs that I always promote, my staple of programs, and I just didn't know if I had the time to be able to add LiveGood. But with all that being said, your boy is officially part of LiveGood. So what the hell happened? How did I go from 3 reasons why I didn't join to officially being ready to rock and roll with LiveGood? All right, let's take it reason by reason. The first reason was, you know, I just gotten out of another health and wellness opportunity and I pretty much was just drained, right? It was a bad experience and I just didn't know if I wanted to get involved with something similar like that again, right? But when it comes to LiveGood, I've been watching several webinars, Zooms, you know, with the owner and the whole team that they have over there. And as I kept watching it, I'm like, this opportunity is nothing like the one that I had, you know, 6 months ago. Like, this is completely ran different, way more professional, way more organized. So I'm like, why should I pass up on an opportunity just because another company that had nothing to do with me was whack, right? So as I start watching it more and more, I'm like, wait a minute, this could have been what the other company should have been. Now, this was super important to me. The second reason why I didn't join was because I wasn't too impressed with the products, right? Right now, LiveGood has around 15 to 16 products. And I said in the video that I'm a big, you know, gummy supplement guy. I'm really big into like pre-workout drinks. I like to take stuff like that for energy and that tastes good too. But I'm big on that. And I didn't, when I made the video before, I didn't really see any products like that, right? But shortly after making that video, I went back to LiveGood looking at the products and I noticed they had, it was at the bottom, but I noticed they did have a pre-workout supplement that looked pretty enticing, right? I'm like, ooh, because I love trying pre-workout supplements. I just love it. Some I like, some I hate. But I noticed that LiveGood does have one. So I'm like, okay, all right. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's see what this is about, right? So then I got a message from somebody else. They private messaged me on Facebook and they said, hey bro, I know you were saying about the products, you know, you wasn't too impressed. I just wanted to tell you, I just got off of a Zoom call and they were saying that they have a lot of products coming in the future that they're going to be adding to the LiveGood site. And I'm like, all right, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I see they got the pre-workout, plus they're going to be adding more products. Now, I didn't hear where they said officially they're adding gummies, you know, which I guess ain't the end all be all, but, right, just in case they do add more pre-workout subs or throw in some gummies, I could already have my position locked down with LiveGood. So, you know what I'm saying, when they do add these products, like I said, I'll already be in the company grinding. And the third reason why I didn't join LiveGood was because of the time, right? I'm already promoting 3 main programs that I love, that I go hard with. And I said, you know, I just didn't know, you know, if I had the energy, right, the time to add another program and give it all that I had. But then I started thinking, if that other health and wellness company that was terrible, if that would have actually been what it was supposed to be, I would still be with that company. And I still was making time to promote the hell out of that company, because I was going hard with it before it went crazy, right? I was. And I still was doing my other programs as well, all right? So I said to myself, I think maybe I was saying that just because that last company, it just drained me, right? It took a lot of energy and effort, and I was just kind of like, man, I'm off of it. But then, like I said, I'm like, wait a minute. I would have been doing big things with that company if it wasn't for them, right? So I was like, you know what? I had to find that motivation and be like, look, this company has real potential. LiveGood definitely could be something big. Hopefully they stick to their word. And if they do, you know, with everything they're doing with keeping their membership very, very inexpensive, the compensation plan pretty much staying what it is, the earning potential staying what it is, expanding the product line, this company can be big. And I do believe this can make people a lot healthier and a lot wealthier. So I'm all about that, ready to rock and roll, ready to start building a massive team, ready to help people grow this LiveGood opportunity. If you want to join me on this journey, you already know, click the first link in the description, check out the video on that page, and I will see you on the team.